Suppose we wanted to solve an equation that looked like this. We know that any real number squared is going to give us something that's not negative, so we know that this has no real solutions. It, however, turns out to be helpful to expand our notion of numbers out of the reals and have imaginary solutions to this, or in general to a quadratic equation, complex solutions. So I am just going to say that the solution to this we're going to call I. So I is basically equal to the square root of -1. Let's say that's the, so to speak, positive square root. Negative I is the negative square root. So going back to our original problem, x squared equals -4 implies x equals plus or minus the square root of -4, which is equal to plus or minus the square root of -1 times the square root of 4, which is 2i. Let's do another example. X squared equals, let's say, -27. So x is equal to plus or minus the square root of -27, which is equal to plus or minus the square root of -3 squared times 3, which is plus or minus I times 3 times the square root of 3.